Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make an easy potato curry for chapati or puree. Pressure cook 3 medium sized potatoes. Turn off the flame after 5 whistles. When the pressure comes down, open the cooker. Take it out and allow it to cool. Now peel off the potatoes and mash it well. Take 1½ cups of tomato puree in a mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and a little salt. Mix well. Now add the mashed potatoes and mix well. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add the tomato potato mixture. Stir occasionally and cook this till the gravy thickens. Now add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. This will go nice with chapati or puree. Please try it out and post your feedback.